1.5 cup sugar, 1 cup water. Cook on medium flame until it thickens. Cook until when one sting starts to form. A half cup cooking oil, 2 cup semolina. Roast on low flame for 12 to 15 minutes. Stir continuously. 1 tsp green cardamom powder. A half cup desiccated coconut. Roast on low flame for 1 minute. Add sugar syrup. Cook on medium flame until sugar syrup is dried. Stir continuously. Grease the tray. Add desiccated coconut. Add chopped almond. Add chopped pistachio.